Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On one of my last posts I asked if you guys were interested in a puppy tutorial, and you were. So here it is. I hope it's helpful in any kind of way. If any of you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen my post on how to draw a puppy. I'm following this tutorial step by step. First I'm drawing 2 circles. After that I'm deciding what the petals will look like. When you're happy with the shape, you can trace it with a black fineliner. I'm using a Sakura Micron fineliner size 0.5. Over here I can literally see myself thinking, maybe I have to erase the pencil first, and that worked better. Before you dig in for the details, I like to erase the pencil lines. I added small strokes and dots with my Micron fineliner, size 0.2. Now it's time to add some color. I used a pink reddish color and mixed it with a bright orange one. The first layer had to be really wet and quite light, because we're gonna build up our colors up until we have a bright red color. We're gonna dab our darker red paint into the first layer. Let the paint dry a bit before you start again. If the color still isn't intense enough, add some more red paint. To give my painting a messy effect, I'm gonna splatter some watercolor on it. As finishing touch, I used the golden paint from Coliro Colors to give the painting some sparkle. The paint has to absorb the water to be fully opaque. Just splatter the paint like the red watercolor and then let it dry. That's it for now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and push the red button to stay in touch. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!